Here's a free watch face that you definitely want to download. Welcome to another view into Huck's world. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and the Monday grind continues. Now you know I care nothing to bring you all but the very best in watch faces, and this one here, it takes the cake. Now this one is going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, and I would download ASAP because you know how it goes. Free could become paid at any given time. Now Tina outdid herself with this watch face as she always does. Now she's been bringing new flavor, new pizzazz to her watch faces, and this one here is totally off the charts for a free watch face. But let's go ahead, let's take a closer look at this watch face. Now, the name of it is called Tina Dial 758. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, the same design. It's going to be dimmed out in a black and white theme, which looks totally awesome. But when the watch face is on, the whole layout and the design of this watch face looks beautiful. Now, if you look dead center, right here, that's going to be your battery percentage. You get a nice second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. I really like the creativity of the hands of the analog, and you get digital time down at the bottom. Now, if you look to the left, up at the top, you're going to get your heart rate information, and also you got some animation that's going on with the heart rate as well, letting you know how your heart rhythm is going. Over to the right, you're going to get your step information, and you got the animated running man, which I love. I'm telling you, Tina got down on this one. In the center, you got animation. Over to the left, down at the bottom, you are going to get your days of the week, your day of the week. You're gonna also get your month, your date, and you're gonna get the year. Now, if you go all the way over to the right, I like how Tina stamped her name in there. It blends into the watch face perfectly. I like the design. And down, right up under that, you're gonna get some animation so far as the parts within the watch face. Now, listen, I thought that it was over with, but it is not. Tina also added some shortcuts, right? So if I tap right here, I can go into my alarm. And if I tap down here, I can go in and make a phone call, check my contacts. And right here, just in case I'm going on a run and I need my music, Tina has me covered. So the overall watch face gets 7 thumbs up in the door. But listen up, people. This is totally up to you. How many thumbs up will you give it? Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you wanna see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Continue to grind hard.